Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can check your BVN. Do not need to stress yourself going to the bank, You can do it yourself. It is a self-service something. I'll be teaching you how you can use your mobile device to check your BVN. All you just need is your SIM card that has been registered with BVN. If it is Airtel, Glo, MTN, it is good. So how do you check your BVN? Have at least 50 naira in your phone. Normally BVN will charge you 20 naira. Please just have 50 naira in case there is a network issue or something like that. When you have 50 naira in your phone, then you are going to dial this code *565*0#. When you dial *565*0#, BVN will prompt in something for you to fill. You need to put in your date of birth, your month and your year. Then when you follow it, you submit it. When you submit it to them, under 2 seconds, or in fact it might not even be up to a second, your BVN will appear to you. It doesn't matter the kind of bank you are using. This code works with Zenith Bank. This code works with Eco Bank. It works with Wema Bank. It works with any kind of bank. If there's even a bank that is trending currently, they call it the Providence Bank. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video and you have learn one or two things, this video has added value to you, why don't you subscribe? Why are you doing me like that? Why are you like this? Share this video so that people can see it. Like this video, drop a comment so that people can interact with it. Okay, people that have lost their BVN, when they see this video, it will be good. If you share it, people that need this help, they will see it. It will be on Google, it will be on other places. Please share this video. Share it. Thank you.